Welcome back friends, and in Samsung mobile, if you want to control the maximum limit of any individual app, suppose you want that for Facebook the maximum volume limit should be 50% and for YouTube it should be 70%. Every time you need not do anything. If you want to do this, what has to be done, I am going to tell you very quickly, so please be with me till the end of this video. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel and if you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Just go to the Galaxy Store, here search for Goodlock and just download it. If you have not this application, this is official, safe. Just open it. Here you will land up there as Makeup Live Up. Go to the Live Up. In Live Up, go below, and here one sound assistant, just download it. I have already downloaded it. Go here and you will find many interesting things here. You can go and explore many things, but what I wanted to tell you in this video is individual app volume. Control the volume of each app. Okay, now I will go to the YouTube and I will show you the volume of my video. So suppose this video,
the details of batteries.
now I will go and control this sound assistant. I will add Facebook here. Okay, not Facebook, YouTube, because I have to show you in YouTube now. Just YouTube. Okay, from these three dots just add. Now it is added and I will limit it to 16%, say. Okay, now I will go back. Again I will go back to here. See, it is full, but you are not able to hear it. Now I will increase it. Okay, just go here, go to the sound assistant, individual app. I will add to 50%, 53%. Now just go to the YouTube, open it. See, it has been limited. So this is what I wanted to tell you, how to limit the maximum volume of any individual app. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.